Fabric Decorator is a real-time pattern transfer tool which allows you to create and generate all kinds of fabric decorations, with the added bonus of supporting animated objects. Now, with this tool, you can create and generate sequins and scales, sample any type of object along a curve, place single objects such as buttons, gems, or flowers on a point and deform them to match the fabric's curvature, add piping, stitching, and embroidery to your fabric, and create frills. All of this is made easier by a variety of built-in features designed to make your workflow more intuitive. Some of these features include generating points using a custom point on surface generator with the ability to pack points evenly, using multiple attributes and the UV transfer tool for easier and more customizable material creation, packing points on a curve to ensure consistent spacing between large and small samples, and so on. Fabric Decorator is designed to be user-friendly, but because it covers many areas, the tutorials are separated into categories, so you can watch exactly what you need. We'll start by setting up and preparing your geometry for the modifier, and then we'll go through each option one by one. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.